Welcome. Now let us learn a set of apply functions. These are very powerful and very useful in R. And you have seen the power of apply function over here. Here, if you see, you have learned lapply. And even though you may have say 100 categorical column, in line 30, in one line it will convert to all 100 into categorical. And so in apply function there are multiple apply functions, and as per my experience there are two very useful apply functions, lapply and sapply. So let me explain you again. Whenever you want it to return list, it means complete column, that is the lapply. What does it takes? This is the input. It takes, it applies, this is the inline function, and return the list altogether. That is why you are storing as a list. So here what we are doing, we are trying to find it out list of the numerical column, and in the data you know that we have this is the complete number of columns, and if we remove the categorical columns by taking the difference, we'll get list of the numeric column. So I'm running line 70. And if you see the list of the categorical column, list of the numerical column, these are the numerical columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7 numerical columns. And if you want to convert, say, although everything is numeric here, but in line 71 we are converting, and just for showing you, so all 7 can be converted to numeric in one go. I'm running line 71. If you see, it has got converted. So it given the list, 7 list, and those has been stored here. Okay. So this is the application of lapply. There is another apply function that is called sapply. S is for the vector return. So what does it do? It for each of these things, it apply the function. Here the standard function mean we are applying, and it will return one item for each one of these, not the complete list. So let me show you. Let me run it first. Line 74. I have run, and I am printing the outcome. So if you see that we had 7 numeric column, and for this numeric column we have applied mean, and it has given the mean of each of the numeric column. This is what, so each number, each one gets returned, that one number for each column, and that is what I'm saying, that is what we say it is a vector. Here one list for each of the columns, it is returning the kind of matrix. Okay, that is the difference between sapply and lapply. Sometimes we have to also use the pure basic apply. So what the basic apply does, it takes this data, and one means row wise, and then sum it. So for each row it will sum and give you the answer. So when I run it here, line 77, and I'm trying to print that all the row over here. So if you see that it has summed each of the row and give us the exact these things. So what is the meaning of summing each of the row? So suppose these are the say 7 column from here to here, then it will sum. H means this is the sum, like this time. Sum each of this one row, each row. And similarly for each of the column, if you see, I'm trying to run 80, and you can guess what should be the how many value it should come. So each of the column, so each of how many column we have, we had here 7 number of columns. So when I'm printing, it will give me the 7 value, and 2 means column over here. So each of the column for each of the rows, so here we row had 392, so we got the 392 values, and here for we had the column 7, so we got 7 only. Okay. Now just try to see that the work which we have done, it is really good enough. If you see that we have got the sum of each of the column in line 74 using sapply, and in line 80 line 80 using apply. Let us see how whether both are equal or not. So how to see this? This is that there is a one function called all.equal. It compares. So I'm running line 83. See, it is saying all true. It means either you calculate it by in the line 74 or line 80, both are exactly the same thing. Has no much difference. Okay. Now I want you to do the classwork after this video. Convert cylinder as a classwork only to factor and some engine displacement and horsepower and put it in a third temporary variable. So please do this classwork, and I'm stopping this video. Please, after this video, please do the classwork, and then you see the next video. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next video.